Hi everyone. When I say I live in paradise, I mean it. Look at that beautiful thing in the background. She's been laying in our backyard for like an hour. So peaceful. So I'm very lucky because today is my birthday. And my guys spoiled me. I got solar lights. I got little ornaments for the yard. I got a new hibiscus flower. I can't wait till that starts blooming again. I got a rose bush. And I filled the pool. It's open for business. I'm so excited. It's an amazing, beautiful day. And I hope you're all enjoying it too. There were just like 3 butterflies here. I wish I could have got them, but oh well. I'll post more again soon. Anyway, happy birthday to me. Bye, everyone.